here, and we have to find the area of the trapezium. We have to find the area of the trapezium. Now see the above a rectangle named ABCD. Rectangle ABCD. ABCD. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If AB is given to you 15, then BC is also 15. This is clear? If AB is
Sir,
15, then this is also 15. This is the opposite side of the rectangle. Same again in the rectangle. Which one? EFGH below rectangle. This one. HG is 25 centimeter. Then its opposite side, that is EF, is also 25 centimeter. Its opposite side is also 25 centimeter. Done. What you have to do? Now see the trapezium. Trapezium. What is the trapezium? Its parallel side are DC and EF. These are the parallel. These two sides are the parallel. Now, one side is 25 and one side is 15. You can apply the formula for the area of the trapezium. That is 1 by 2 into height. Height means distance between these two parallel lines. That is given to you 4. Multiply by sum of the parallel side. One side is your 15 and another parallel side is 25 centimeter. Now, you have to only solve it 1 by 2 multiply by 4.
दो बार में
Mul-
कट जाएगा.
yes, multiply by 40. 15 plus 28, that equal to 40. In the next one, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4. It will be 2 into 40, that will be equal to, yes, 80. And area is always in square. Unit is centimeter, so its area will be centimeter square. Area is centimeter square. Clear? Or still anyone doubt?
No, sir, clear.
No, sir.
Clear? Okay. Now, if
Yes,
you have
sir.
no doubt, then read the question number 7.
Sir,
Anyone?
find the area of polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, G given below.
Which shape is this one? And first, which shape we have to find? I draw the rough diagram. Question number 7. There is a triangle, this one. And the name of this triangle is ABC. A, B, C. Then there is a rectangle. There is a rectangle. And this rectangle name is GH. G and H. And there is another rectangle, this one, and above it there is a triangle. There is a triangle. Now name the all of these first. A B C D E F G H. That's all. Now and take this point GHI. This point you take I. Now write the unit. Which one is given? B. Take this point GHI J. This side BJ is given to you 5 and AC is given to you 12. CD is given to you 25. This is 4, this
Then
is 4, and this one is 2. This one is 2. Now we have to find the area of this given figure. How we can find it? Anyone have any idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me how.
Yeah, sir. First,
This
we find area angle ABC.
First find the
One
area of
by
the.
two into two.
That's okay. We're going to find the area of this given figure by in 4 parts. First, area of the triangle ABC, this one. Then the rectangle AC, you may take ACHG, this rectangle, then this rectangle, then triangle. There are the 4 parts, and we find the area of this part, and then we add all these. That is the area of the given figure. Now first, area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC. What is the formula for the area of a triangle?
Half into base into height.
1 by 2 into base into height.
Yes, 1 by 2 base into height. What is the base here?
So
Base.
AC. Sorry,
Base
AC.
12, sir.
Base is your AC. On which side perpendicular
12.
is drawn, that is your base. That is your 12. And height?
5.
5. That's okay. Good.
That is
Now
5,
can
sir.
solve. You can solve it.
Sir,
That is
30.
30
30
centimeter
centimeter.
square. Never forget the unit. Unit is necessary. Centimeter square. One part is solved. Now the second one. Second
Area
one.
of
Area of a
rectangle.
rectangle ACHG. What is the formula of the area of the rectangle?
Length into
L into B.
breadth.
L into B. L into B. What is the length?
Length is, sir, 12 centimeter.
It's
No,
breadth.
sir. No, sir. No,
Length.
sir.
Length.
Sir, it's 21.
That's right. It's 21. Why it is
Yes, sir.
21?
Sir,
Up to
because
C to D.
25 minus 4.
Yes. Up to C to D. That is CD. CD is given to you 25. CD is given to you 25. But HD, this is the part of CD, that is your 4. How much is CH left? You have to
Sir,
subtract
21.
and you will find 21 after subtract. So length is your 21 and breadth is 12.
12.
Now multiply these. What do you obtain? Check it. This multiplication is correct or wrong?
Correct.
Yes, okay. 12 into 1, 12 and 12. Okay, this one is be correct. Second part is also solved. Now see the third part. In the third part, what is given?
Sir, rectangle.
A
Sir,
rectangle, and the name of the rectangle is?
FIHD.
Yes, that's okay. Area of rectangle.
Sir,
Area of a rectangle.
sir,
Which one?
length
HDFI.
FIHD.
You may write any from any start point and you may end HDFI or IHFD. You may choose anyone. This one.
Sir, length equal to 8.
Length equal to 8 and breadth equal to
4.
4. That's okay. How we obtain the 8? Anyone have any
Sir,
doubt? You may ask.
after
See this one again. The total in the rectangle AC. Yes. Speak now.
no, sir.
One student is asking. Yes. I'm waiting. Okay, if you know doubt, then we continue. ACHD. This side is 12, then its opposite side in the parallel rectangle is also 12. The total is 12, but up to this point, this one, GI, which is 4, remaining is 8. Remaining is 8.
8.
So 8 multiplied by 4, that is the area of the rectangle. And you will find the answer 32. Now the next point.
Area of triangle.
Area of triangle DEF.
Sir,
Area
1
of,
by
yes, area of
1 by
triangle.
2 into 8 into 2.
That's right. Area of the triangle DEF. What is the area of the triangle? Same formula, 1 by 2 base into height. Base into height. Now what is the base?
Sir, 8.
Yes, in the triangle, rectangle HDFI. One side is 8, then its opposite side is also 8. So FD is your base, that is 8, and height, that is already given to you 2. Now you can see 2 can cancel 2 and you will directly obtain 8
8.
centimeter square. 8 centimeter square. Now the area of the polygon, what is the area of polygon?
So, sum of all 4 area.
Sum of all these area, that is third sum of the triangle, then sum of the another rectangle, and last sum of the triangle. Add these one. What do you obtain?
Sir,
Yes, what is the answer? Add these and tell me the answer. Yes, add all these and tell me the answer. Only addition. You take so much time. Add these again and tell me the answer. What will be the answer?
322.
sir, 322.
322.
322
322
centimeters.
centimeters. Okay, that's the right one. If you are forgetting your writing unit, 1 mark shall be deducted. Either a 2 marks question or 1 marks question. 1 mark shall be deducted. Clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
read the question number 8, part B. Part A you can solve yourself. There are the two trapezium. You have to find the area of the trapezium. Can you solve part A?
Yes, sir.
Only two trapezium are there.
Yes.
One is ABCF and another is CDEF. Apply the same formula 1 by 2 base into sum of the 1 by 2
1 by
height
2
into
into height into sum of the
sum
parallel
of the
sides.
parallel sides. That's all. Two times you have to apply and then add. But the question number 8 part B. Question number 8 part B. Now see this figure in your book and tell me how we can solve it.
Sir, after finding the area of
In
triangle
this part is
AEP,
answered. 3
AEP,
triangles are given and 1 quadrilateral.
One quadrilateral is given and
4 triangle,
3 triangles.
yes.
4.
Now let's say we draw the figure, then we discuss. And one thing you have to notice from here is will be joined here. A figure is given to you like this. This is the rough diagram.
सर
Now, yes,
सर जो नीचे वाला ट्रायंगल है सर वो तो राइट एंगल है ना सर
yes, right angle. Everywhere
Sorry,
is
right.
right angle. Yes,
Sir, all is right angle.
yes, all are right angle. Now, how we solve it? First we name it. Anyone have any idea? Tell me that one.
Yes, sir. First we have to find AEP, triangle AEP.
AP. Okay, then
Then, sir, another
yes.
100. Sir, then triangle DRC 1 by 2 into base into 1.
Yes, anyone? It's 125. Mike is on. You may mute. 25. And the another side is given to you 95. Check if anyone side is remain or not remain. All are written or anyone is remain. Check it. 90. That's okay. I think all the sides are written. Now
The
we have
30 centimeter given, sir.
yes 30 is
Up
remain.
to 30.
QR. And one is the mistake in this question in the statement that is given this one. 120. Tell me 120 is given. Here, which side is given 120? See from your
Sir,
book.
AC. Sir, AC.
No.
Sir,
120.
PC. Sir,
No.
PC.
No.
Sir,
Sir,
AR.
AR.
It is the
AR.
PQ. It is the PQ. And 30 is given to you. Which side 30 is?
Sir, 30.
Sir, QR.
That's right. QR is your 30. And 100 is? Which side is your 100?
Sir, RC.
That's right. This is the mistake in this question. They are not writing the symbol like this one. This is the 30. Only this is the mistake. Rest of that there is no mistake. Now.
Sir,
And same again 90. 90 is your AP. AP is your 90.
सर QR तो बगल बगल में है.
Yes, QR are the near, but the difference between them is 30 centimeter. Clear? Now, tell me how we can find the area of this polygon. Anyone?
Sir, at first we take area of triangle AEP and then triangle DRC
Okay.
and
Then
then triangle
DRC.
ABC and
ABC
then
triangle
triangle
ABC.
ABC. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's
And
right.
then
Sir,
Please.
हम बताएं सर.
quadrilateral.
Yes. Any another?
Yes, sir. सर
Yes.
सर ट्रेपेजियम का बताएं यार कोई ट्रायंगल का.
आप कंप्लीट पॉलीगन का बताइए.
सर 1/2 into
Yes.
years of into sir 95 plus 125 होगा सर.
That's okay. Now, first find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle, which one?
AEP.
AEP. Yes. What's the formula? 1/2. Base
Base
Base into
into
height.
height.
90 into
95.
95.
95. That's okay. Now multiply these two. What will be the answer? Tell me what will be the answer? 45 multiplied by 95.
Sir, 4275.
4275
4,275 centimeter square or
centimeter
meter
square.
square? Centimeter square.
Sir, centimeter square.
That's okay. One area is calculated. Now the next one. Next is area of this triangle DRC. You may take anyone first or anyone later, but I take this one first, DRC. It will be the same again, 1/2. What is the base?
100.
100.
What is the height?
125.
No. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 50, 100. Multiply these. What will the answer?
5
6250.
6,250 centimeter square.
square.
Now the one more. Area of triangle ABC. ABC. 1/2. What is the base right now?
So base
Sir,
is 120.
90 plus 120 plus 30 plus 100.
No. Base is your AC. AC is your base. Then it will be 90. AP is the 90 plus 120 plus 30 plus 100. This point is clear. AC is your base
Yes,
and you
sir.
have to add all these 90 plus 120 plus 30 plus 100. What will the answer?
Sir,
340.
100,
340.
250.
340.
40.
Okay. 340 multiply by
76
what?
centimeter.
76. Then tell me the 2 can cancel 1 and it will be 170.
170.
Now multiply these two. Just tell me the answer after multiplying. 17 multiply by, yes, 17 multiply by 76.
12,920.
12,900.
920
That's right one. It will be 12,920 centimeter square.
scale.
Now what do you see? This area is calculated, this is calculated, this is calculated. And the area of this is remain. Which one? DEPR. DEPR. The polygon DEPR. Which shape of this DEPR?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral or anything?
Trapezium.
That's right one. This is the shape of a trapezium. Now write it individual. You will see it is a trapezium. One side is this one is this one, and one side is this one and this one. And their name is given D
ED,
D
EDRP.
P R P R. This one P and R. There is given 90. There is given 90. That these two sides are parallel. EP is parallel to DR. These two sides are parallel. One is given to you 125. One is given to you 95. And distance between them. What is the distance between them?
Sir, 150. 120 plus 30.
Yes, this is given to you 130. 20 and this is given to you 30. Now the area of this trapezium, area,
Sir, how? Sir,
half into height into sum of parallel
sir,
side.
how we get
write the
height?
name also. Write the name also.
Hello,
DE.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, how we get height?
How we get the height? This is the figure. Now rotate it. You will find this one. There are the two triangle, two parallel sides. This one. This point is your D. If you rotate it 90 degree, you will see the clear image. This is the P and this is R. RD is given to you 125. PE is given to you 95. And one side, this one is 120 and this is your 30. Add this will be 150. Now you can find the height.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Only the image is rotated. Figure is rotated through 90 degree left. Now this is the again the trapezium, and now you can find the area of the trapezium, that is 1 by 2 multiplied by height is 120 plus 30. That is your height, and multiply by sum of the parallel side. One side is 95, another side is 125. Now you can find it. 1 by 2 multiply by 150 and multiply by, yes, what is the sum? 220. That's okay. 100 and 120. Clear? Now you can.
Yes.
It will be
110.
150 multiplied by 110. What will the answer?
$16,500.
16,500. Now the area of polygon. What is the area of polygon?
Sum of all area.
Yes, sum of the all area. Uh, One is 1,000, sorry, 16,500 plus another one is, I write add the above. These are the written for, and one more is 1,600, 16,500. Sorry, these are the total area. Now you can add these all. What do you obtain? 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 1 is the next one. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Yes. Speak now.
सर यहाँ पे सर अभी आपने क्या किया सर 12,920 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर और 16,500 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में सर वो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं या फिर ऐड सर?
Add. We have to add all these area. We have to find the area of the polygon. These are the small part. So you have to add all these four areas. Now you, when you add, it will be 5 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 and 8, 9, and it will be this one. So your area of the polygon is this one. When you add all these, you will find the area of the polygon. You have to do in the separate step, but I add in the same place. Clear? Or I need to repeat this question? Yes, anyone have any query in this question you may ask? Or I need to repeat it? No. Then read the
No, sir.
question. Okay, no query. Then read the question number 9. This is the simplest one.
Sir, find the solid regions of
Yes,
given
sir.
figure.
Yes, find the area of the shaded region. Yes, anyone can tell me how we can find it?
Sir, firstly we have to find the area of triangle. 20
Firstly,
centimeter into 40 centimeter.
Firstly, we have to find the area of the triangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Then sir, we have to find two area of triangles.
Then we have to find the area of these two triangles.
Yes, sir. Then we have to subtract from area of rectangle minus area of triangles.
Okay, that's okay.
Then we get the answer.
Okay. Anyone have any another method to solve this one? To solve a question, there is not unique method. You can find the another one also. Yes. Anyone have any another? First I name them A, B, C, D, that's okay. And this point is E, this point is your F. This point is D, this point is F. This is given to you 20 centimeter. This one is also given
Here
to you.
two trapezium are sir shaded portion. Two trapezium.
That's okay. This is 10 and this one is also 10. Now, how we can solve it?
Name them sir.
No, name is already given. We cannot apply the trapezium here. Why? The height is not given. This one and this one. Height is
Sir,
not.
it is the last.
Yes, this is the height is not given. That's why we cannot use the apply the formula for the area of the trapezium. So what you have to do? We have to first find the area of the rectangle. Now the area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle?
40 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Length
That's
into
okay.
breadth.
Length into breadth. Length is your 40, breadth is your 20, and area will be 800
800
centimeter square. Now the area, yes,
तो 40 कहाँ से आया?
40 is given in the figure.
तो ये चाहिए था.
You see the figure, 40 is already given. Now, in the next one, area
Area
of triangle. Area of
DEA.
DEA or AED. Triangle ADE. Same formula 1 by 2. Base is your 20 and height is your 10. When you subtract, it will be 10, and after solving you will get 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now the find the area of another triangle. Which one? BCE.
So this is also 100 centimeters.
1 by 2. Again 20 multiply by 10. And it will be 10 multiplied by 10, that equal to 100 centimeter square. Now, the total area is 100 and subtract the area of these two triangle. 800 minus 100 minus 100, that equal to 800 minus 200 centimeter square, and your answer will be 600 centimeter square, and that is the area of the shaded region. Clear?
Yes,
Now the
sir.
question number is 10 remain, that is your homework. And now today you have to complete your homework, and you have to send your homework on my personal number right now. Complete it today and send on the number last digit 479. Okay,
Okay, sir.
everyone note this number and share your homework of the complete 11th chapter, the area of polygon, today only.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
Still anyone have any query in today's lecture, you may ask, and rest of you may leave and complete your homework.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Okay. If anyone still any query, you may ask, or you
No,
may
sir.
leave the, or no query, then you may leave, or I can end the call from here.
Okay, sir.
Today's date is 10. Okay, I'm going to end the call, or you may leave the channel.